In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Shorts section from your YouTube channel homepage. This can be done from a computer, and the process is almost the same if you are using a mobile browser. To get started, open YouTube and make sure you are signed into the correct account. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select View Your Channel. Once your channel page opens, click on Customize Channel. This will take you to YouTube Studio, where you can edit how your channel homepage looks. Now, make sure you are on the Home tab. Scroll down until you find the section for short videos. To remove it, click the three dots next to that section. Then choose Remove Section. After removing it, don't forget to click Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. Now go back to your YouTube channel and refresh the page. The Shorts section should no longer appear on your channel homepage. And that's it. That is how you remove the Shorts section from your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple YouTube tutorials.